This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So again, in this video we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll analyze the trend of the market and current resistance and support levels for the current price action. Today we'll be doing the analysis from the weekly time frame to 5 minutes time frame, because we have noticed price action to be trading in range for long time. Let us see it from the higher time frame to understand overall price action. So when we look at the economic event calendar for today, at 7 AM we have high impacting news for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we have lots of low impacting news planned for today. Then at 6 PM we have high impacting news coming up for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So if you are trading either of these currency pairs, make sure you make notes of these events during planning your trade entry and exit. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. We already know from the weekly time frame that the price action made a double bottom pattern and it completed its double bottom pattern, and currently it is in a retracement, and this level of 1909 will be acting as a very strong resistance level if the price action tries to trend back on the bullish side, because this is a neck level of the double bottom pattern. And when we notice the current trend of the price action, from here it started going on a bullish trend. We have noticed several shadows passing through this support line or the trend line, but we have not seen any candles to be closing below this support line. So the price action is still trading above this trend line or support line. So we can consider this as the current price action is still in a bullish trend. And when we analyze the current range that the price action is trading, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance level of 1873 or 74 several times, but it has not broken the support line over here. It is going on a sideways within this resistance and support level. So it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. It has to break through this triangle pattern on the bullish side or on the bearish side in order to get a directional momentum. And we also know that previous trend was on a bearish trend and it has made a retracement. If it breaks this support level or the trend line, we can expect the downtrend to continue also. Considering this downfall, it is only a retracement of this downtrend. It is not a trend reversal. So looking at the weekly time frame, it is not a bullish trend. It is only a retracement. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current price action in daily time frame, I'm drawing a resistance line over here. So looking at this resistance line, currently the price action has tested this resistance line and it has fell on a bearish side. And we have a very strong support line or a trend line from the weekly time frame, which is preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish side. And we know from the weekly time frame, if the price action breaks this support line, it will be the continuation of the previous trend, which is a bearish trend. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, which means that it will be a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. Considering the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong support level, and currently also we are noticing the price action to take support on this support level of 1827, and it is in a range bound market within this support and resistance level. And if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line from the daily time frame, and if it continues its bearish trend, next level of support is going to be around we'll use the Fibonacci's extension tool. Is going to be 1801, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to continue its bearish trend, and next level of support is going to be 1778, and also it will be breaking the bullish trend line from the weekly time frame, which means that it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance line and to break this resistance level of 1874 to get a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and in 4 hours time frame also I am drawing a resistance line or a support line, and as I explained in yesterday's video also, this trend line or support line was respected and it gave breakout, and it has retested this resistance line also, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is under a consolidation within this resistance line from the daily time frame and trend line or support line from the weekly time frame. Within this, we have a very strong support level which is around 1827 and resistance level which is around 1874. And on the other hand, from here we have noticed a price action come on a bearish trend reversal. Then it has taken support around the support level of 1802. Then it has bounced back on the bullish trend and found resistance around the resistance level of 1874. Again it went on a bearish trend reversal. It couldn't break the support level of 1807. And currently we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this support level. If the bullish trend continues, we are seeing a chart pattern being formed over here, which is a double bottom pattern. To get a confirmation on the double bottom pattern, the price action has to break the resistance level of 1874 or 75 in order to form a double bottom pattern, and next target will be the resistance level of 1920. It will also be breaking this resistance line from the daily time frame, and it will be also breaking the strong resistance level of 1874, which will also be the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. Previously this trend line was acting as a resistance line, and currently we have noticed the price action to take support on this trend line and to bounce back on the bullish side. I am drawing one more support line over here. So based on this support line or a trend line, when we analyze the current price action, it took support around the support level of 1807, and currently we are noticing the price action to consolidate between this support line and the resistance line from the daily time frame. It is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that there is no direction in the price action. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side, which means breaking the trend line from the daily time frame, or wait for it to give a breakout from the higher time frame support level of 1827 in order to take trades on the bearish side. It is under a consolidation for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. So when we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, the price action has taken support on the hourly time frame trend line or support line, and we have also noticed the price action to bounce back from the 4 hours time frame resistance line over here. I am drawing one more trend line or resistance line. So based on this resistance line, we are seeing the price action to break this resistance line, and if the bullish trend continues also, we can expect it to test the daily time frame resistance line or a trend line. So within this resistance line and the support line, we are seeing the price action to consolidate, going on a bullish side and trending back on a bearish side in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Again in 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing a trend line or a support line. So currently we have noticed a price action to trend on a bullish side, breaking this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. It is a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame. And if the bullish trend continues, previous highs will be acting as a resistance line for the 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. We have noticed the price action to form a double bottom pattern, and it has completed its 100% retracement of this double bottom pattern. We can expect a little bit of retracement to retrace and take support on this trend line or the support line. But as long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the price action to continue its bullish trend. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.